Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stenevec, along with Carol Massar. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg News equities reporter Jordan Fitzgerald. Jordan, still earnings season, at least for Zoom.
It is still earnings season. Sometimes I think it never ends. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello. Zoom did report after the bell today. Shares are up when I last checked, more than 3% in the post-market. First of all, hard to ignore that it was a really good day for tech and for communication stocks. Communication stocks did lead the S&P 500 today. But other than that, Zoom delivered a strong print, stronger than analysts were expecting. Third quarter EPS beat, revenue came in line with estimates, and they forecast fourth quarter operating income that topped what analysts were expecting. So overall, strong results from Zoom. And the thought is that Zoom is really outperforming on its diversified products. I mean, we all think of Zoom and we get war flashbacks to 5 years ago and just never getting off of there. I know I was in college and we'd spend 8 hours a day in Zoom class. It sucked. Nothing personal against you, Zoom.
But we're still using it. Right?
Exactly. I use it every day, not to that extent. Yeah. But I think it's pretty obvious to say that Zoom's not going to be at the heights it once was during COVID when we needed to be on there every second of every day. But it's not as easy to say that it would be successful building out its other services. Zoom's offered an AI assistant, contact call software, corporate phone systems. Zoom really seems to be delivering in a way analysts weren't expecting.
Yep, stock up 3.7% here in the aftermarket. Not doing much year to date, but definitely getting a bump. It's down actually about 3.7% year to date, but it's up that much in the aftermarket. So it's certainly one we're going to watch into the Tuesday trade.
All right, Jordan, what about Tesla? What's going on with Tesla?
Oh, Tesla. What's going on with Tesla is such a perpetual question.
Yeah, just check X for
pretty
what's
much.
going on with Tesla.
Well,
right?
actually, yesterday, Elon did post on X. I have to stop myself from saying tweet every time. He posted on X an update on Tesla's chip progress, said that it's getting close to debuting an AI 5 chip and starting progress on an AI 6 chip. Tesla really has been pivoting away from being a car company. One could argue it was never just a car company, but for all intents and purposes, let's say it is. And though these AI chips aren't necessarily like critical to Tesla's long-term ambitions of being a robotics and robotaxi company, they would really help on the efficiency front and do really play into this narrative that Tesla is becoming a tech powerhouse independent of its electric vehicle sales.
Interesting. So are these more productive, energy efficient chips? Or is that what they're working on?
Elon doesn't tend to go into that much detail, but he did say
Stay tuned,
that
everybody.
they will be used for the Optimus bots. The current Tesla cars do run on the AI4 chip, so it would be a next gen.
Okay.
Okay, well, no easy transition.
Are you a robot?
Well, I'm just thinking of if there's a transition to Tyson Foods and maybe automation.
Chips in
maybe
wrong
automation,
kind of chip.
Yeah, wrong kind of chip, but maybe
Nicely
automation
done.
within the meat processing facilities.
Yeah, so Tyson announced today that it's going to be closing a beef processing plant in Nebraska, and traders really metabolized that news quite positively. Analysts at BMO said that, this right sizing is actually really important for the industry and for Tyson. That being said, did cattle futures fall? Yes. Did the Nebraska senator call this devastating for the community? Also, yes. So what's good for Tyson might not be universally great, but it did send the stock up more than 6% today. And Tyson did have its best day since last November.
Why did the stock rally? I don't understand that.
It's an efficiency matter.
Oh, okay. Got it. Just trying to understand, but not great for the community.
No,
Potentially.
but good for the bottom line.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.